Are you short on time? Join us online. In this edition of the Augusta University Writing Center's online tutorials, we'll go over how to cite a book in APA style, 7th edition. Remember, the American Psychological Association introduced the 7th edition of APA style in 2019, and most colleges and schools will be using the 7th edition from 2020 on. Make sure you're using guides that focus on the 7th, not the 6th edition of APA style. So, how do I cite a book in APA style 7th edition? Here we have a basic template for citing books. APA style always begins with the author. Include last names followed by initials. The date always comes next in parentheses. After the date, include the full title of the book in italics. Last, include the publisher. There are a lot of small details within citation styles, and APA is no different. Overall, make sure you pay attention to font styles and punctuation. For a book citation, include up to 20 authors if they are listed on the title page. If you have more than 20, list the first 19, followed by an ellipsis, followed by the final author. In the date position, only include the year for books. Next, include the full book title. Use sentence case for books titles. This means only the first word, proper nouns, and the first word after a colon or other punctuation such as periods, question marks, or em dashes will be capitalized. Finally, include the publisher. Do not include the location, such as city and state, before the publisher name. So, let's look at an example. Here we have our authors in the author position. Notice we have their last names and initials, and we have an ampersand before the final author. Also notice the capitalization for our book title, which appears in italics. In this example, we have a book with an edition number. If you have books with editions or volume numbers, these go in parenthetical clauses after the book title, as we show here. Finally, we have our publisher. And voila! It's magic! Now you know how to cite a book in APA style 7th edition.